This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon or good evening. So let us continue our today's session. So in yesterday's class we have done with SSH and important aspects related to SSH. Now today we are going to talk about software management. See, when it comes to software management, we are going to discuss two things. So probably in today's session we would try to focus more on RPM, and we'll continue with Yum tomorrow. So RPM stands for Red Hat Package Manager. Software management generally is all about installing, updating, querying, uninstalling softwares. And to do this activity in Linux, especially in Red Hat, we have two methods: RPM, Red Hat Package Manager, or the other one is Yum, Yellow Dog Updater Modified, which is now called as DNF Yum, Dandified Yum. What's the difference? We will cover up in a short while. So RPM is a package manager that allows you to install a package, uninstall a package, update a package, or check the details about a package. And RPM itself is package also. All the packages that are supported in Red Hat will be available in .rpm format. Like in Windows we have .exe format, here we have .rpm, right? And there are two formats generally we used to have. One was i686, that is nothing but 32-bit software. So 32-bit software used to be installed on 32-bit operating system. Then we also have x86 underscore 64. Now this format used to be for 64-bit environment. So 64-bit environment will be allowing you to install 64-bit software, and 32-bit environment will allow you to install 32-bit software. But we have one neutral architecture, which is no arc. So no arc is one kind of package that can be installed on 32-bit environment also, as well as 64-bit environment. The name no arc is given because of that it can be installable on any architecture. See guys, nowadays 32-bit is outdated. There are no 32-bit operating system. So we will not find 32-bit softwares also. Now the software will be available either in NOARC format or 64-bit format. Okay, all right. Now let's log in into the machine and let's learn how to work with RPM commands. All RPM commands starts with RPM. Flags or options will be changing time to time. Suppose I would like to see how many packages are installed right now. So I can go with the command rpm -qa, where Q stands for query and A stands for all. Query all. So let me say rpm-qa. Now when I hit enter, a huge list of software which are currently installed in your system will be displayed. Now you can see here it is telling you what is the version of the package, what is the major release, minor release, and which version these softwares are suitable for. EL8 means Red Hat 8, EL7 means Red Hat 7, EL6 means Red Hat 6. And what is the architecture? 64-bit. Or you can find no arc, right? Now let us say that you want to see a specific package. So you can say rpm -q and the package name. Or if you want to see all the packages that starts with the word open, so you can say rpm-qa, show me all the packages that starts with the word open. So you see it is going to show you all those packages which starts with the word open. OpenVM, OpenSSL, OpenLDAP, OpenJPEG, all are available. This is the way you can query about a package which is installed right now in your system. Now let us say that you want to install a package. See, to install a new package, you must go to that specific location where you have um, downloaded or installed a package. So wherever the package is installed, there you need to go and you need to execute this particular command. So I'll just mount the CD-ROM. Let me just check it out. Mount and grep for SR0. You see CD-ROM is not yet mounted. So let me say mount /dev SR0 on media maybe, because DVD comes with lots of packages. Any new package we want to install, we can just go to the DVD and we can install that. So let me go into media folder. Inside that media folder, I'm going to keep, or inside it I can find two directories, AppStream and base OS. So you see AppStream and base OS, these are the two categories of software what you can find inside it. Previously, when we used to work with Red Hat 6 or Red Hat 7, there used to be simple one folder. In CD or in the Red Hat DVD, we used to get a folder called packages that used to contain all type of packages inside it. But from Red Hat 8, your Red Hat DVD is coming with two types of packages. One is AppStream and the other one is base OS, right? So AppStream contains important third-party software. Third-party software means the software which are not from Red Hat but important for our system. And base OS contains all OS related packages. Now, if you go into AppStream, you'll find packages folder that keeps AppStream packages. Or if you go into base OS also, you will find packages folder. So this contains OS related important software, and AppStream contains non-OS important packages, right? So these are the two categories of packages what are now coming in your Red Hat DVD. Previously, as I told you, there used to be simple one folder packages, but now it has been categorized. Let me go into, for example, base OS. Now in base OS, I'll go into packages folder, and let us say that I would like to install one package called ZSH. Let me check it out. Is the package there? Yes. So I can find that there is a package called ZSH with a version 5.5.1. Okay, now I'm going to install this package. To install a package, we need to go with a command rpm-ivh, where I stands for install, right? You can see here, I stands for install, V for verbose, and H for hash progress. See, hash progresses means it is going to show you the progress of installation, 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%. Like that, it is going to show you the full progress, that how much the progress has been done. Okay, so let's say that I want to install a package ZSH. Now, I don't know whether the installation would be successful or will it have some issues. right? So what I wanted to do here is I want to perform a test. Everything is fine or not. Like yesterday in rsync, we have seen dry run, right? Which just showed you a preview. Same way here also when you do test, it is only going to show you a preview whether the installation is successful or does it have any other requirement. So as you see, there was no error reported, there was no other thing reported. That means the installation is fine. Now, if I want to really install the package, as of now, the package is not installed. rpm-q zsh. You see, it is not installed. If I really want to install it, I just need to remove that test option and hit enter. So you see the package got installed now. So this is the way you have to install a package. Now guys, you want to upgrade the package. Let us say that right now I'm having 5.5.1 package installed. Now there might be 5.5.2 or 5.5.3 or 5.6.0. Now you want to upgrade your package from one version to another version. To upgrade a package, you need to say rpm hyphen uvh. U stands for upgrade or update. Which package? ZSH. Now it must be an upgraded version. As of now, I'm just going with same version, so it is not going to work out. It might simply say that the version what you are trying to upgrade is already installed. If you have an upgraded version, then definitely it is going to get upgraded. Okay. So this is the way how we can work with this particular concept. Now, let us say that I would like to uninstall the package. To uninstall the package, it doesn't requires you to be at any location. Wherever you are, doesn't matter. You just need to run this command to uninstall the package. To uninstall a package, we go with a command rpm-evh followed by package name, where E stands here for erasing a package. So when I say EVH, it is going to erase the package from the system or uninstall the package from the system. Excuse me 1 minute, guys. Okay, let me hit enter. All right. Now you just check it out, rpm-q and the package name. It would tell you that ZSH package is not installed anymore. So this is the way using RPM command you can install a package, you can uninstall a package, and all these activities can be performed. Now let us say that um, I would like to do some advanced task in this concept. Let us say guys that I would like to check the details about any package. For example, if I run the command rpm-qa, you see a huge list of packages are listed. Now, I don't know that what is the role of kpatch command. Now, why that package has been installed, I don't know. I would like to check details about that package. To check the details about a package which is already installed, you can say rpm-qi followed by the package name. When I hit enter, it is going to query some information and print on your screen. I here does not means installation. I here means query information about a package. So when I say I, you see it is going to show you the details about all this package, when it was installed, what is the version, what is the release, architecture, when it was installed, and it is also giving you description that how this particular thing would be working. Now let us say that we have a package ZSH which was not installed, right? But it is available in your DVD under base OS and packages location. Right now here if you check it out, ZSH is available. So package is not installed, and before installing the package I would like to check the details about the package. To check the details about a package before installation, you can again go to that location first where the package is, right? And you can say QI. Or if you are not at the location, you can use P path, and you can mention the whole path wherever the package is. So I am already at that location where the package is. So I'll simply type the name ZSH 5.5, whatever it might be the name. Let me just copy paste the name here. So you see it says ZSH 5.5 and 64-bit, which is currently not installed, other details about it, and you can check the description related to that software. So this is the way, guys, how you can find information about a package before installation or if the package is already installed. Now let's do some more important tasks over here. For example, let us say that I would like to fix one of the command. Let us say there is a situation that one of the command is not functioning properly. It is corrupted or something and you want to repair it. Now, how can I repair a command if it is not working properly? First of all, you should find out that this command belongs to which package, and reinstalling the package related to that command will fix the issue. But how can I know which command comes under which package? For example, I have a command called date or VG display or LV display or user mod or any other commands. So to know the location of any command, we go with which command. So you can say which LVS. Now you can run the command rpm-qf query about a file. Which file? USR sbin lvs. So how beautiful it is, guys. It is going and checking that file and telling you that this particular file or the package or this particular command belongs to a package lvm2 2.03. So with this we came to know that what is the package associated with a command. Now, if this command is not functioning properly, I'm simply going to reinstall LVM2 and it is fixing the issue. Let me corrupt one of the command and fix it for you. So let's say I have date command and I have mount command. See, date and mount both are nothing but scripts. These are scripts. Now, if I make changes in the script or totally change the script, the command will not function the way it has to. It will be corrupted. So I'm going to simply copy usr bin date script on usr bin mount script. So when I do this activity, guys, it is going to corrupt mount command. Date script is being copied on mount command, so mount command will not work perfectly. Date command will display the date and mount should display how many partitions are mounted right now. But when I say mount, you see it is also displaying date. So mount command got corrupted. How can I fix it? To fix it, you need to say, first of all, rpm-qf usr bin mount. Now, where can I find this package? Util Linux 2.32 something. This package can be found again in base OS because this is OS related package. So I'll just say rpm-ivh go to media, that is my DVD, inside it base OS, inside it packages, and look for the package util Linux 2.32 something. So did I found the same name package available here? Yes. Now let me say install it. Let me hit enter for doing installation. Right now, if I run mount command, has it fixed the issue? No. Why it did not fix the issue? Because it is telling that the package which you are asking for install is already installed. Same version, same package is installed. I cannot install a package twice. So what we need to do, we need to tell RPM now that we know that this package is installed, but I want you to do the installation one more time to fix the issue. So whenever you are trying to reinstall a package to fix anything, you need to use an extra option here called force. When you use force option, it is going to force the installation to do the installation one more time. Now when I hit enter, you see this time it is not going to stop. It is going to complete the installation. Now you run rpm-qf, you'll find that the package is installed and you run mount command and you see the command is fixed now. So this is the way guys how we are going to fix the commands if they are corrupted. Find the related package to it and forcefully do the installation. That is going to fix the issue with your package, with your command and everything. Okay, all right. Now let's move ahead and let's learn few more things. Let us say that I want to find configuration files related to a particular package, guys. See what happens is a package may have many configuration files, and remembering all configuration files by someone is a difficult task. Nobody can remember all the configuration files. Suppose we have 2000 packages installed, out of which 1000 packages are having configuration file, and each package is having 2233 config also. It would be difficult for us to find out all the configuration files. So what's the simplest way to find the configuration files related to any package? See, to find the configuration files, we can simply go with a command rpm-q. First of all, let me check it out. A package name. Guys, just excuse me for 1 minute, just 1 minute. Okay, guys, I'm sorry about that. So I want to see how many configuration files are there related to sudo. So I'll go with rpm-qlc followed by the package name. So when you go for it, you see it is showing me all the configuration file. So here Q stands for query, L for listing, and C for configuration file. It is actually trying to show you how many configuration files are there for sudo package. So you see it is showing you sudo ldapconf, sudo.conf, and etc sudoers. So this is the way how you can find the configuration files related to any package. Okay, now let's move ahead and let's try to see how many documents are associated with a package. See, sometimes what happens, guys, that there are troubleshootings going on and you want to find some more detail about the issues. So what happens is when you install a package will come with number of documentations like README documents, help document, and for example troubleshoot document, many different documents would be there, right? So if you want to check the detail about any documentation, then you can go with a command rpm hyphen qld. Last time we used qlc to list configuration. This time I'm going with qld to get documentation related to a package called sudo. So all the sudo related documentations like contributors, history, news, readme, troubleshooting, upgrade, all are available here what you can read out. Now one more thing is there that you want to verify that which was the last file edited according to this package. So you can say RPM hyphen capital V followed by the package name. What it does is, guys, it will tell you which is the last file that has been edited with respect to this package. It won't tell you exact date, time, and all that, but at least it gives you a hint that with respect to sudo, which file has been recently modified, so that if you are doing a troubleshooting, you have a doubt that maybe some recent change has affected this issue. So when you run that command, it tells you exactly which was the last file edited. So we can simply go to that file and find out what are the problems inside it, right? So this is the way, guys, how we can work with RPM command. But if you see, RPM is a straightforward program. Straightforward program means it install the package if the package is available, right? And if everything is fine, it is going to go with that. Sometimes what happens when you are installing a package, that package need some other package as its dependency. For example, you might have come across in Windows when you are installing Microsoft Office, it need .NET framework to be installed first. If framework is not installed, Office will not install and it won't work. Same way, in Linux, there are many packages which are dependent on few other packages. So what problem of RPM is, if a package has dependent package, it is not going to resolve or install the dependent package on its own. You need to search and install all the dependent package. Sometimes a single package may have 10 dependencies. So we need to search that dependencies, install that dependency, and then your main package will be installed. But guys, there is one more method to skip dependency, which I don't recommend at all. But sometimes if you want to install a package without dependency check, then you can say rpm-ivh package name, and you can use --nodeps. When you use --nodeps, it is going to ignore dependency check. Now guys, I don't think that ignoring dependencies is a good idea, because if dependent packages are not installed and you install your main package, definitely the functionality will not work perfectly. You'll always have issues, right? So best practices are to install the main package first, and then go for dependency. But the problem with RPM, as I told you, is you need to search each and every dependency and install it. So it becomes little hectic to search a dependency, install it and all. To overcome these issues, your next server is there, which is Yum server or Yum software management tool. So what is that Yum or DNF Yum? What it does. Today I'm not going to cover that. I want to stop over here because Yum is a very, very lengthy concept. So Yum stands for Yellow Dog Updater Modified. I'll just give an overview and then we will stop. See the benefits of Yum. Why Yum was introduced when we used to have RPM. From Red Hat 5 onwards, Yum was introduced. See, the problem with RPM, as I told you, that it cannot resolve dependencies. If there are any dependent packages, it will simply tell you that these are the dependency, install it first. It is not going to resolve or search or install dependency. But Yum is master in that. What Yum will do is, if there are dependent packages related to any package, first it will install all the dependencies. And finally, it is going to install original package. All happens automatically. We don't have to search any package on our own. We don't have to download any package on our own. Automatically, it will go and do that task for you, right? Moreover, Yum can search a package at different locations. See, Yum works on repository concept. Repository is nothing but uh, a place where all softwares are dumped, right? All software can be dumped at one location by using FTP or HTTP. You can share that software with your clients. Likewise, on internet, Red Hat maintains repository. Other sources also maintain repository. So what we can do is we can inform Yum that there are these locations where you can search a package. Suppose I have 4 locations. First location on my current machine, second location on some other machine, third location some website, fourth location another website. So when I give 4 locations in Yum configuration, then Yum will go to each location and search where is the package available. And once it find the package available, it download the package from that source and install it. So it can search a package at different locations for you. And if the package is found, it can download and install that package. So that is how your Yum works. It not only install the package, but it can search the package at different location, different websites and bring that package for you, which RPM cannot do, right? So first of all, dependencies are resolved automatically. Secondly, there can be multiple sources where it can go and get the package. Moreover, guys, Yum works on server and client architecture. So you can take one machine out of all machine as Yum server, put all the software on Yum server. Now, whenever client need a package, client will contact the server, get the package. So centralizedly, from one place, I can share software to all the machines in my environment, right? So all these benefits are there with Yum. Now, guys, Yum has been renamed to DNFYum. There is no official full form for Yum, but unofficially what we found is DNF stands for Dandified Yum or some updated version of Yum, right? Some more intelligence have been added in DNF, which I'll talk about when we go for tomorrow, right? So tomorrow, when we see this Yum configuration on Red Hat 7 and DNF Yum configuration in Red Hat 8, I'll show you both. Like if you are working on Red Hat 7, how you need to configure Yum server, and while working on Red Hat 8, how to work with DNF Yum server. Slight differences are there, guys, when we go with Yum server and DNF Yum server. But before that, guys, I want you to finish this RPM concept. So today I'm going to stop over here only. Tomorrow's class would be very lengthy. So we'll stop here. Now, if you have any questions related to today's class, guys, you can ask or we'll wind up this session.
Is it possible to install multiple applications at a single time by using RPM command?
Yes, you can install. Just you need to say RPM-IVH and package's name. It will install multiple packages for you with spaces.
Only RPM will look for local media or through internet also it will get the packages.
Your voice was so loud, I did not able to hear. Can you please repeat your question?
Yeah, RPM will look for local media only or it's looking for online as well for packages. If I'm not
Online, it
able
may
to,
not. Online, it may not be able to go. Local package, you have to download and inform it that this is the package, install it. Then it will install. Okay, guys. So I think questions are over. So we'll stop this session here. Let's meet up tomorrow and see Yum as well as DNF Yum. So please finish this today's lab to have an idea about software management, which would be helpful in tomorrow's class also. Thank you so very much, guys. Let's meet up tomorrow.